There, my name is Tamishka Naidu, and today we'll be discussing a little bit about Fonterra's sustainability. Fonterra has implemented three core Māori principles within the organization that cover all three pillars of sustainability. Today we'll be focusing on manakitanga, which is to care for its people, and kaitiakitanga, which is to care for our land and environment. Manakitanga, which is to care for its people, Fonterra has implemented a code of business conduct and global policies in place, which includes ethical behaviors, diversity and inclusion expectations, which is set out clearly to ensure all people within the organization know how and to know its expectations to meet those code of conduct and global policies. Fonterra also has a whistleblowing hotline, which is run by Deloitte. This is extremely important as it ensures greater security and transparency for its employees. Furthermore, Fonterra has a large focus on the younger generation, as they focus on their Māori and Pacifica tertiary students through their internship and graduate programs. And this is through employment, an 18-month dairy program, and also a dairy diploma qualification as well, and a lot more. And secondly, kaitiakitanga, which is to focus on our land and environment. Fonterra has set up three targets in place, which is to reduce emissions by 2030 by 50%, improve their farm environment plans by 2025, and improve their water plans on their manufacturing sites by 100% in 2024. And we can see here that Fonterra is on track to achieve their goal, but there is still a long way to go to 2030 to achieve that 50% mark. Kaitiakitanga within their farming sector, Fonterra has been innovating with new technologies in various factors and areas, and their goal is to reduce the methane release from their cows to reduce CO2 and water within the environment. Furthermore, the goal is to reduce greenhouse gas emissions with a short-term target by a further 7% in 2030. And secondly, within the manufacturing sites, the largest source of emissions comes from coal, as we can see from this graph, and their goal is to actually turn bio-waste product into energy, which has the opportunity to reduce emissions by around 19 times. So to conclude, Fonterra upholds a very strong market position because of their sustainable focus throughout all sectors within the organization. And also by implementing the Māori beliefs and values, Fonterra is not only tracking and able to face today's problems, but also have a really good long-term vision to generate greater sustainable long-term growth and longevity.